Hello everybody, in this tutorial we will learn how to fix sound problem on Solar Smudge game. Just follow and watch this video till the end. You go first and open your settings of your device. Click next at your apps option and search for Solar Smudge. Scroll this list down, click storage and click clear cache. So you should back, click at force stop and click OK. Come to Play Store or App Store, update Solar Smudge, restart here your device, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.